Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k plus 9 whole square is equals to 9 and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, we solve this problem with the help of square root sign, so that we need to take a square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form: square root of k plus 9 whole square and square root of 9. And now further in the next step, you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here in the left hand side is k plus 9 is equals to, here you know about that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign any one of the side, and here you know about that the square root of 9 becomes 3. So here we divide our this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k plus 9 equals to plus 3, and the second case is we write k plus 9 is equals to minus 3. And further in the next step, we move this plus 9 to the right hand side, and it will be written as k is equals to 3 minus 9, and we have k equals to 3 minus 9 becomes minus 6. So this is the value of k which we get here. And now from here we again move this plus 9 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 3 minus 9, and we easily get the value of k is equals to minus 3 minus 9 becomes minus 12. So further here in the next step, so we get these are the two roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots are solution or extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is k plus 9 whole square equals to 9. And in this side, we will be verify k equals to minus 6. And in this side, we will be verify k is equals to minus 12. So here, first we need to verify k equals to minus 6. And now we put k equals to minus 6 into the left hand side of this equation. So we have this is minus 6 plus 9 whole square is equals to 9. And now here further in the next step, minus 6 plus 9 becomes 3 square is equals to 9. And here again you clearly see that 9 equals to 9. This shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, so it means that k equals to minus 6 be the solution of the given equation. And now here in the same pattern we verify our second root. So now we put k equals to minus 12 into the left hand side, and it will be written as minus 12 plus 9 whole square is equals to 9. And now you see here minus 12 plus 9 becomes minus 3 square is equals to 9 or not. Okay, this is our claim. So you know about that when negative sign appear inside the square sign, it will becomes positive, and 3 square becomes 9 equals to 9. This again shows that the second value of k is also satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is minus 6 and minus 12. Okay, this is our solution set of the given equation. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is k plus 9 whole square is equals to 9. So in the second method, so this is the very quickest, or we here we use the different approach or different technique to find the roots of the given equation. So here we first move 9 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as k plus 9 whole square, this is positive term, becomes minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we rewrite this equation as, this is k plus 9 whole square minus, we write this 9 as 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use another algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So according to the below formula, we write our above equation as, so here our first factor is a minus b. The value of a is k plus 9 minus the value of b is 3 only, into the second factor is a plus b. The value of a is k plus 9 plus the value of b is 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as k plus 9 minus 3 becomes 6, into this is 9 plus 3 becomes here 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we again divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k plus 6 equals to 0, and the second case is we write k plus 12 is equals to 0. So here we again get the value of k is equals to minus 6. From here we get the value of k is equals to minus 12. And you see here from both of these two methods we get the values of k are same, but in the first method we already verified that this value of k are satisfied our given question statement, so that here we don't need to again verify these two roots because we already verify in method number 1. And here we already know about that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. So here we write finally we write the solution set of the given question is minus 6 and minus 12. So here I can just give you the difference between solution and extraneous root. So the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution. Okay, solution is that root which is satisfied our given question statement, and the roots which is not satisfied our given question statement is called the extraneous root. But here unfortunately we cannot get any extraneous root, but here you have these are the two solutions. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.